Your phone's storage is full because of WhatsApp files? Don't worry, here's a quick way to free up space easily. First, open My Files. Then, go to Internal Storage. Now open the Android folder. Tap on Media. After that, open com.whatsapp. Then tap WhatsApp/Media. Now open WhatsApp Images. Go to the Sent folder. Here you'll find all the images you sent on WhatsApp. Select and delete the unnecessary photos to free up storage. Now go back. Open WhatsApp Video. Then open the Sent folder again. Here you'll see all the videos you sent on WhatsApp. Delete the unnecessary videos to clear even more storage space. And done. Your phone storage is now cleaner and lighter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.